Wow. You can really feel the energy in the crypto market right now, can't you?
Oh, absolutely. It's palpable.
Bitcoin's hitting new highs, which is amazing. But what I find really fascinating is how meme coins are suddenly, well, they're showing these vigorous signs of life again.
Yeah, after lagging for a bit.
Exactly. They were quiet. But now that buzz is just, it's undeniable. So today we're doing one of our deep dives into that exact world.
That's good.
Our mission, basically, is to unpack Bonk coin, the top Solana meme coin, and then we'll look at Snorter token, which is this interesting new contender.
Right.
We'll break down what these things actually are, their unique features, how they're doing in the market right now, and crucially, the risks. Big risks involved.
Yeah.
All based on the sources you've shared with us.
That's right. And it's so important because while the market is definitely seeing a powerful surge,
Yeah.
you can feel that euphoria building. It's absolutely vital, like you said, to understand the mechanics underneath and the risks, especially with assets this volatile. Meme coins are, well, there's something else.
Totally.
We're seeing that that typical dynamic play out again, aren't we? Liquidity goes into Bitcoin first, then it tends to rotate into altcoins.
Right.
And only then, often, do you see the real money flow into meme coins. It's market psychology in action, nuanced stuff.
Okay, so let's unpack Bonk. Everyone's heard the name, right? But what is it? What's a real story behind this dog coin on Solana?
Yeah, it's quite a story, actually. So Bonk, it's a dog-themed meme coin built on Solana, launched, interestingly, on Christmas Day back in 2022.
Christmas Day, wow.
Yep, and it calls itself the dog coin of the people. That tagline has real roots. See, Bonk launched when Solana was frankly at a low point. This was December 2022.
Right after the FTX collapse. I remember that. SL's price was crushed.
Crushed is right. Down like 96% from its peak. So the idea behind Bonk, according to their own BOAnk paper, was to flip the script on all those VC-backed tokens and bring power back to the people, offer something, lighthearted to the Solana community that was just real. It was kind of a pushback against that whole Sam Bankman-Fried influence in the ecosystem too.
And they really leaned into that people's coin idea with how they launched it, didn't they? With the airdrops.
Massively. A huge chunk of the initial supply was just given away. Free airdrops.
Directly to the Solana community.
Exactly. NFT collectors, devs, artists. This wasn't just like a small gesture.
No, it sounds huge.
It created instant buzz, instant enthusiasm. Nearly 300,000 wallets got Bonk in that first wave.
Wow. That's decentralization from day one.
Pretty much. Think about the numbers. 50% of the total supply.
Half.
Yeah, 50 trillion tokens out of the original 100 trillion. Airdropped. It broke down like this. 21% went to 40 active Solana NFT projects, another 21% to 22 early individual contributors, 16% to just general Solana market folks, and 10% to artists and collectors.
What does that kind of start mean, though, compared to coins funded by VCs? Does it make it more resilient, maybe? More community buy-in?
It makes a fundamental difference, I think, that wide free distribution. It creates genuine community ownership from the get-go. And for a meme coin, that's everything, isn't it?
Sure.
But Bonk isn't just a meme. It's structured as an SPL token, Solana Program Library token.
Okay, what does that mean for you listening?
Basically, it means it integrates really smoothly across the whole Solana ecosystem.
Yes.
Super flexible, so you can use it in DeFi protocols. You can use it on NFT marketplaces, buying, selling, even minting NFTs. Use it in blockchain games, like for in-game money or rewards, or just peer-to-peer payments.
So it has actual uses beyond just holding it.
Definitely. And the Bonk ecosystem has built tools, too, like BonkSwap. That's their decentralized exchange.
Okay.
And Bonk Vault, that's a crypto wallet they designed. Secure storage, cold storage options, apparently regular security audits.
Right. And I heard about a burning mechanism.
Yes. That's really interesting. It's similar to what Ethereum does, EIP 1559. A bit of each transaction fee gets permanently destroyed, burned.
Reducing the supply over time, deflationary pressure.
Yeah, exactly. The stated goal is to, quote, prop up the coin's price. But it also feels like, I don't know, a nod towards more traditional economics. Even within a meme coin, it suggests they're trying to build something maybe a bit more lasting than just hype.
Yeah, that's a good point. Do we know how much has been burned?
The sources say over 6 trillion Bonk tokens by April 2024. Apparently, the developers themselves burned 5% back in January 2023.
Wow. Okay. And governance? Is it centrally controlled?
Nope. It's governed by the Bonk DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. So holders get to manage things, vote on operations.
Okay, so powerful origin story, community focus, some real tech underpinnings. How's that translated into market performance? Because the numbers I've seen look pretty wild.
They have been wild. Bonk's been one of the absolute top-performing meme coins recently. We saw it rally, 7% in a day, 22% over the last week.
And 93% in the past month. That's huge.
It really is. Its market cap is sitting around $1.3 billion now. Puts it up there with the larger meme coins.
And getting decent trading volume, too.
Relatively large volumes, yeah. Now, technically speaking, the price has been bouncing around, say, 0.0000000 up to maybe 0.000002958. That's based on early June-July info.
Right.
The RSI, the Relative Strength Index, that momentum indicator, it suggests it might be in a, let's say, neutral or maybe even overbought zone, meaning there's a chance of a short-term pullback, little correction.
Okay.
Immediate resistance seems to be around 0.0000005. That'd be a solid 25% jump from recent prices. But if sentiment flips, it could easily drop back to the point 0.00001 level.
So still a long way from its all-time high.
Oh, yeah. Still needs about a 51% climb to get back there. And that climb is expected to be gradual. It really hinges on, a proper full-blown meme coin season kicking off again.
Right.
And it's crucial to remember Bonk's price is just so heavily influenced by the overall crypto market mood, by news, by project announcements. It's definitely a roller coaster.
So for you listening, how should you interpret all this? The sources seem to say, yes, Bonk is one of Solana's strongest meme players, especially as greed returns and new retail money flows in. But prepare for volatility. Adjust your expectations. That seems to be the main message, right? The euphoria comes with serious risk.
Absolutely. And that brings us squarely to the risks. What are the big ones with Bonk and really any meme coin?
Yeah, let's spell those out.
Okay, first, they're not backed by anything tangible. No hard assets, no cash flow like a company stock might have. Their price is purely supported by trader sentiment, that feeling in the market.
So people lose interest.
The price can just collapse, plummet. And there's zero guarantee it'll ever come back up. It's like trying to catch smoke.
Okay, that's a big one. What else?
Extreme volatility. They are incredibly speculative. Prices swing wildly up and down, driven in huge part just by social media buzz, hype cycles.
Right. And fraud. That's always a worry in crypto.
Definitely. Meme coin markets can be, and often are, prone to pump and dump schemes. Scammers prey on that greed, that FOMO.
Got it. Any risks specific to Bonk?
Well, its success is obviously tied to Solana's success, right? If Solana has problems, Bonk will likely suffer too.
Makes sense.
So, yeah, the sources are very clear. The risks are substantial. You absolutely must be prepared to lose your entire investment.
Okay, let me just repeat that. Prepared to lose everything.
Everything. And this isn't investment advice, obviously. There are absolutely no guarantees for any investment here. None.
Okay, so Bonk really defined that pure sentiment-driven meme coin phenomenon on Solana. But the market evolves, right? What happens when people start wanting more than just the meme, more than hype? Could meme just be branding for something with actual utility?
Exactly. And that leads us perfectly into this other token, Snorter token.
Right, Snorted. What's the angle there? How is it different?
Well, what's fascinating is how Snorter, or Snorter, tries to fit this new narrative perfectly. It aims to combine that meme coin virality, the hype factor, with a fully functional, low-fee trading bot specifically on Solana.
Okay. So utility baked in from the start.
Exactly. Unlike a lot of meme tokens that really do just rely on hype, SnorterBot offers a practical product, something with real-world application for traders.
And it's built for Solana, so presumably it's fast, low fees.
That's the pitch. Lightning speed trades, because it's Solana, and fees significantly lower than competitors. They claim 0.85% per trade.
Compared to what usually?
Industry standard is often more like 1%, maybe 2%. So, 25% is pretty competitive.
Okay. What kind of features does this bot have?
It boasts some pretty advanced stuff, actually. Automated sniping that's getting in on new tokens the instant they launch. Limit order execution. Things like honeypot detection that helps you avoid scam tokens where you can buy in but can't sell out.
Oh, that's useful.
Yeah. Rug pull protection, trying to guard against devs just vanishing with the money. And MEV bot defense.
MEV, what's that?
Maximal extractable value, basically protecting you from bots trying to front-run your trades or use other predatory tactics that chip away at your profits.
Okay, so in a market where tokens can jump 30% in an hour, having tools like that could be a real edge.
That's the idea, a significant edge, potentially. And it seems to be resonating. It already raised over $1.8 million in its pre-sale phase.
$1.8 million. Okay, that's not small. Show some confidence.
Definitely indicates growing investor confidence. Now, the market cap isn't in Bonk's league yet, of course, but that pre-sale number signals serious intent. And apparently, SNOR holders get access to exclusive features, discounted trading fees, and you can even copy the trades of wallets known to be successful, which could make it appealing for, less experienced traders.
That's a really interesting contrast then, isn't it? You've got Bonk, pure community, pure sentiment, and then Snorter layering on this tangible utility, this trading bot. Does that mean the meme part is just like a marketing trick, a Trojan horse to get people interested in the tech?
That's kind of the million-dollar question, isn't it, for this whole evolving space?
Yep.
I think the meme aspect is still absolutely crucial for that initial buzz, the virality, building the community. But the utility, that gives it a different kind of potential staying power, a clearer value proposition beyond just speculation.
Are there unique risks with something like Snorter, though? Beyond the usual crypto stuff? Like, what if the bot doesn't work well? Or it's reliant on Solana, too?
Good question. Yeah, absolutely. While the utility is a plus, it brings its own risks. Snorter's success relies on that bot working flawlessly, right? And on continued development and updates. Plus, any advanced trading software has inherent complexities, potential vulnerabilities.
Okay.
And yes, it's still riding on Solana's performance, just like Bonk, but it's also riding on people believing its tools are effective and valuable in a really competitive market.
Right. So wrapping this up, what have we kind of unpacked here today?
Well, we looked at Bonk, the community-powered meme coin born out of that tough time for Solana, pure sentiment driving it, really.
Yeah.
And then we explored Snorter token, representing this newer wave, maybe, meme coins trying to offer real practical utility alongside the meme.
So connecting this to the bigger picture.
The crypto market is just incredibly dynamic, isn't it? We're seeing this powerful surge, renewed excitement, definitely growing interest again in meme coins. But those core things, they haven't changed. High volatility is still the name of the game. Community and sentiment are absolutely critical for projects like Bonk. And we're seeing this undeniable trend emerging, utility-driven meme coins like Snorter. But bottom line, always remember, do your own research, understand the huge risks involved. It's paramount in this space.
Absolutely. Okay, so here's a final thought for you, the listener, to maybe mull over. In a market where digital assets can shoot up or crash down so fast, driven by both pure hype and genuine innovation, what does this rise of utility meme coins like Snorter really tell us about where crypto might be heading? Is meme just becoming a catchy brand, a way to grab attention? Or does it maybe hint at something deeper? A shift in how we even perceive digital value, how it's created, and ultimately how it's put to use. Something to think about.